Tell me something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Yuvraj Kushwaha. I am from Indore. I am 12 years old. I study in 7th class in residential school. If I talk about my family background, my father's name is Mr. Roshan Kushwaha. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Mrs. Sangeeta Kushwaha. She is a homemaker. I have one sister only. I like red color. In pudding, I like mango. My other person is my father, and my hobby is playing cricket.
Why did you decide to learn English?
I decided to learn English because English is a very important language, and English is such a language which can be understood by the people all over the country, and learning English is very important in our life, and we can get many business in our life with the help of English language, and we can give many interviews with the help of English language, and English language is very good language, and it is international language. So that is why.
Okay. So do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes sir, I celebrate my birthday.
And do you celebrate Diwali festival?
Yes sir, I celebrate Diwali festival.
Last time, how did you celebrate Diwali?
Sir, first of all, at 2 o'clock in the evening, in the afternoon, I went to the market with my father and mother, and I purchased 2 pairs of clothes for me, and within half an hour I purchased 2 pair of clothes, and then I purchased some crackers for me. After 2 hours I came back to my home, and I take rest for some time. I took rest for some time, and I used my mobile phone for some time. And in the
Okay. Do you purchase new clothes on your birthday?
Yes sir.
Do you purchase?
Yes sir, I purchased new clothes on my birthday.
Every birthday do you purchase your clothes?
No sir.
So sometime.
Yeah.
Okay. When will be your birthday?
My birthday will be in November month.
In November. So how will you celebrate?
Sir, I will celebrate my birthday with pomp and show. First of all, I will go to the bakery at 5 o'clock in the evening, and I will purchase some bakery items for me and birthday items for me, like birthday cake and happy birthday stickers, and some balloons and ribbons like this. And
Okay. Will you invite us?
yes sir, I will invite
Everybody or
all of
only
you.
me?
All of you.
All of you. Okay. Everybody will come to you. Okay. And then Okay. What is the importance of education in our life?
Sir, education.
Yes, education.
Education is very important in our life, and we can get many ideas and many knowledge with the help of education, and many children go to
Control.
many children go to school for education, and education is very powerful weapon for study.
Very good. Okay, tell me one thing. If we will not study, then what will happen? What
Sir,
will be the result?
if we will not study in a proper way, so we will be a
Illiterate person.
greengrocer,
We will become
or
a great
baker,
beggar.
like this.
भिखारी बन जाएंगे मतलब.
Yes, sir.
If we will not study, then very good. Okay, tell us our daily routine. क्या करते दिन भर तुम?
Sir, first of all, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I clean my thing. Then I wash my face. After that I take bath in the morning. After that, I wear my school uniform. Then I go to the temple, and I worship of the God. Within within half an hour, and then I come back to my home, and I have tea and some biscuits, and I use my mobile phone for
Okay,
some
one
time.
thing. Do you read newspaper in the morning time?
No, sir.
Why don't you read newspaper?
Sir, because newspaper guy didn't come to my home. Don't come to my home.
Why?
Sir, because my father didn't pay money. Paid me.
Doesn't pay money.
Doesn't pay money.
Oh, that's good thing. Do you use mobile cell phone?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, so do you use WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, like this all social media?
Yes,
Do
sir.
you use?
Yes, sir.
What
I
type
use.
of social medias are there?
Sir, there are many social medias like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and etc. And if I talk about WhatsApp, so we can chat, we can talk our friend with the help of WhatsApp, and we can get mobile numbers of our.
Do you know online shopping?
Yes, sir.
What is online shopping?
Online shopping is very important in our life, and if we will do online shopping more and more, so the shopkeeper of so the shopkeeper which is available in the market, there many people will not go there, and the shopkeeper will not get money. So we should not use of it more and more.
Okay, we should not use more and more online shopping. It means we should not use applications like Amazon,
Yes, sir.
Flipkart, like this, Myntra, Meesho. Okay, very good thing. Yeah. Do you know what is the precious thing of the world? Do you know what is the precious thing of the world? दुनिया की सबसे कीमती चीज क्या हो सकती है?
Yes, sir, I know.
What is that?
Sir, the precious thing of earth is God.
What? But God doesn't live with us. Okay, you don't know. What is the importance of time in our life?
Sir, time is very important in our life, and if time goes once time, so time never come back, and we should invest our time.
How can we? How can we invest our time?
Sir, we can invest our time by some applications.
By using some applications.
By using some applications.
So, for example, Free Fire, PUBG.
No,
PUBG
sir.
is banned I think, in India. Do you play games?
Yes, sir, I play games.
Stop, don't talk to each other, please. Try to keep yourself very calm. Yes.
Yes, sir, I play games.
You play games.
Yes, sir.
Which type of games? Which game do you play?
Sir, outdoor.
Outdoor game.
Mobile phone.
Okay. Outdoor game means
Outdoor.
outdoor game. Outdoor game. What is outdoor game? I don't know what is that. What happens outdoor game?
Sir, outdoor games are like badminton, football, basketball, volleyball,
And indoor game?
In indoor game, we can play chess, table tennis, and carom, ludo, like etc.
Okay. Do you know how can we use mobile in a very good way?
No, sir.
Don't you know? Okay, now how can we use our mobile in bad way?
I don't know, sir. I use my mobile phone for some time.
Only for some time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and we should use our phone only for some time. We should not use our phone too much because it is not good for us.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have to use everything, but in the limit. We don't have to cross our limit. Okay, what will you do after going from here? Because it's your farewell today. Okay, we will provide you a very good present. After that, you will not come here again. So what will you do? Okay, do you want to say something about this class? How was your experience in overall 1 year? How was your experience? We just want to know.
Sir, this coaching is very interesting for English language, and many children can learn English language from this class, and I learned many things like advanced level things, and basic things, and some vocabularies, and some preposition, and we can use of preposition in every sentence.
Okay. And what do you want to say about students, about your classmates? Because they all are your classmates.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how was the experience? Did someone hurt you, or did you hurt to someone?
No, sir. Nobody hurted
you.
me.
Yeah, nobody hurted you.
Yes, sir.
Everybody was very great. So will you miss our coaching classes, students, after going from here?
Yes, sir. I will miss this coaching because I have been completing my 1 year here.
1 year you have completed. So do you think that you have got your money back? I think you have got many things.
Yes, sir.
And don't you think that you have wasted your time after coming here?
No, sir.
No. Okay, and we should never think like this, because we have acquired a knowledge which you will never forget in your life. But I think you have to do practice at home.
Yes,
You have to talk with your father, because your father is also a very good learner. Nowadays he is learning English language, and in future he also will become a very good speaker. Try to listen to me. Don't waste.
Yes, sir. I teach to my father and sister.
Yeah, you should try to teach your father and sister. Okay, I think your father will come here every day, but if your father will not come, so you have to help your father, and as well as you have to teach your sister as well. Okay, and if you will get chance to teach anybody, so will you try to teach?
Yes, sir. I will try to teach because teaching.
But you don't have interest in teaching, I think, because I have noticed this one. Yeah, one student was assigned you. One student was given by me you, but you didn't teach him properly. That's why I can see you don't have interest in teaching field. Okay, it's not mandatory that you should have to go in the teaching, but you can go in any other sector, in any other field in which you want to go. Okay, tell me one thing. What do you want to become in your life?
Sir, I want to become an officer of a multinational company.
You want to become an officer. It means you want to become CEO,
Yes, sir.
Chief Executive Officer. Yeah, it's very great. Okay, so everybody, let's give him again. Now we would like to give him a very big and very small present. Okay, it is a small present for me, but it would be a memory only for him. He will take, he will carry the gift at home, and he will see again and again, and he will miss us. So everybody stand up and let's give him big hand once again. It's your program, okay? And try to memorize us, try to miss us. We all will miss you, okay? Will you miss or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will you miss or not?
ये फालतू हंसी है। समझ में क्या
ये बात है।
फालतू हंसी है।
ताली बजाओ भाई के लिए ना। ठीक है? सभी को कम से कम यहाँ से इतना सीख कर जाना है जितना कि आप किसी से कम्युनिकेट कर सको, किसी से बातचीत कर सको। समझ रहे मेरी बात? अंडरस्टूड? चलिए ठीक है, सिट डाउन एवरीबॉडी।